Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your hair, your face, your accessories, and stuff like that on Brookhaven for free. So to do that, you're just going to select this icon here, and then if you want to change your hair, let me just remove some items first here, the hair and the face and that. So for the hair, you have this option. You can search it up if you'd like to, but I think I'm just going to use the ones that they have here. And then for the face, if I'm not mistaken, I think you can search it up here. So here I'm just going to type in face, and you're just going to select the one, maybe search makeup actually. And then you can select the makeup that you want. Oh my gosh, this is super pretty. Cute. Very sassy on that face. Oh, limit 4 items? Okay, well obviously you're just going to untick them. Sorry, I don't know why I did that. Well, you're just going to pick a face, any face that you'd like to add. Maybe, okay, I guess I'll do this one. And then for the outfit, you can just go to this one. These are just for accessories if you want to add more stuff. This is for like the outfit and like the plants, and you can put on just a uniform. So yeah, that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.